Alright guys, happy Friday. We've almost made it through a full week. We will also be doing a video for Sunday's programming. Saturday will be your free day where we won't do a video. We do have one more coming to you on Sunday. So let's talk Friday strength and conditioning. Let's start with the warm-up. I just wanted to spend some time foam rolling and lacrosse bowling, alright? Think about 2 to 3 minutes. Use whatever you can at home if you have a hypervolt or whatnot, but use some home objects. If you don't have those, just use some time to mobilize and stretch.
Or we'll give you one. We got tons of lacrosse balls. If you don't have one, we have tons.
Once you're done with that, it's a quick warm-up. It's basically just 4 minutes. So if you need a longer warm-up, use that time. If not, we got 4 minutes. Let's go. 1 minute of Goblet Squat Hold. It's just going to hold in the bottom of your squat. You can hold dumbbell, kettlebell, whatever you have. We're just kind of getting those hips to open. So think about sinking a little bit deeper. Please make sure your knees are tracking over toes. It's not a passive position. I do want you to just use that time to open up. Okay, 1 minute there. Then we're going to go banded kickouts. So if you have a little band, we'll always put that around your knees. And we'll go banded kickouts there. If you have a headband, right? So ask your wife, maybe yourself, you have one. Put it around your knees. All you're thinking about doing is pushing that foot out to the side. Okay, go 30 seconds each side there. If you don't have a band, guys, really just focus on that glute, right? If you're thinking about opening up, pausing maybe, that will help activate those glutes, right? We've done these a ton, so you should feel it in the right area. Once we're done with 30 seconds each side, we'll go banded forward and backward steps. We're not going side to side today. We're going forward or backward. So as you step forward, think about coming in a little bit and then opening back up, right? So in, out, again, 30 seconds forward, 30 seconds back, or just 5 forward, 5 back, cycling for a minute. If you do not have a band, again, we do these a lot, so sing in that power position, squeeze your butt, and as you're stepping forward and back, really thinking about keeping that butt turned on by keeping it as tight as possible. All right, just open up those hits. That's not working for you guys, just change this. All right, get some glute activation. You can go glute bridges, single leg glute bridges, anything that helps warm those up. Next one is just gonna be an elbow plank, so holding on your elbows, 1 minute here. If you did a ton of planks yesterday, you're probably really good at these. Otherwise, 1 minute. And then we just got goblet squats, right? So take that same kettlebell or dumbbell you used in that warm-up, just squat and stand back up. I want these to be quick because we will be doing tempo squats for the strength. If you don't have an object, just air squats. All right, so let's talk strength for today. We have back squat. Should be every 2 minutes for 60 minutes. We have 8 sets. We are building to a heavy single if we have a barbell. We'll go 5 at 70, 5 at 75, 3 at 80, 2 at 85, 2 at 90. Then sets 6, 7, and 8 should all be 95+%. Again, building to a heavy single. Now, not a lot of us are gonna have a barbell, so let's talk about variations. If we're just doing body weight, guys, use this as the opportunity to do some squat therapy. All right, all that is really standing in front of the wall. You can just put your hands over your head if you don't want to do it in front of the wall. Just trying as much as you can to open up that thoracic, keep your knees out, right? Work on perfect squat technique, all right? Do 8 sets of 5 reps on that. Keeping that really slow. The faster you go, the more things start to change. So slow it down so you can really focus. If we have dumbbell, kettlebell, or sandbag, all right, we're going to use those objects to do 8 sets of 5 reps. We are doing those reps though at tempo. So we got a 2 count lower, a 2 count pause, stand tall, 1 breath, repeat for 5 reps. Now, if your dumbbell is too light, or if your dumbbell is too heavy, either way, guys, 2 ways you can change this. Increase the tempo to make it harder, right? Or increase the reps, right? If you're not feeling the burn in these sets, don't just stop at 5, right? We want these to be challenging, so you may have to vary it based on the load that you have. Sandbag though, we will be putting it on our back. We will still do that same 2 count lower, same 2 count pause, standing, 1 breath at the top. Again, just vary that rep or that tempo. Great opportunity for you guys to use your own selves to modify what you need to. Beautiful. Again, if you have questions on strength, let us know. Let's go ahead and cycle into the workout. Today's workout is going to be a 12-minute AMRAP, so as many rounds and reps as 12 minutes as you can. We have 40 double unders, 20 wall balls, 10 toes to bar. We have done this before, so 12-18 of 18. So really fun. Now you can do the COVID version of that, which is rad. We're doing 6 to 8 rounds roughly in this 12 minutes, right? So we do want a ton of volume. We're gonna go double unders. I want you to struggle through these. If you have a jump rope at home, work through 40, right? Get through them. If not, we go 120 single unders, right? You can absolutely change these into penguin taps as well. Then we got wall balls. I do want you to do 20 unbroken. Okay, we'll talk about a variation, but if you got a wall ball, 20 unbroken is your goal, right? If you don't have the right weight, then obviously split it up, but I want you to mentally hang on to these reps. Then we have 10 toes to bar. If you have something to hang from, we can transition these into knee raises. If not, we can switch them to V-ups. All right, so let's go to our body weight version, 40 penguin taps. All right, we do these in class, but jump, clap twice, simulating that double under. If you don't want to do those, you can do jumping jacks, but other than that, we got a jump rope of 120 single unders. If we don't have an object, we'll just go jump squats, full squat, jump as high as you can. Link these reps together, right? Simulating that wall ball toss. And then we're gonna go 10 V-ups from the floor. So laying flat on the ground. Hands and feet come together at the same time. Beautiful. If you can't link those reps together, you can always keep your feet up in the air and then reach for your toes. So you're only moving one part of your body, right? Any scale is fine. You can also turn those into crunches if needed. If we have an object, that's when I want you to find something. Be creative, guys. Put these on Instagram and then tag us in it, right? Again, Charmin. Probably don't want to use these though because you probably need it to wipe your butts. But use an object, throw it. We don't care. I don't care about the height, but use accuracy as your goal today. Try to hit the same spot on the wall every single time, regardless of that height, right? We got 20 of those, so 20 object tosses, and then same 10 V-ups. All right, so find something to use, be creative, tag us in it, get funny. All right, happy Friday, have a great day.